If you're looking for iPhone 5C car accessories, this video is for you. My name is Brian, your personal guide. Welcome to our channel. At any time, you can click this circle in the corner and get more info and real-time deals on your favorite products. Number 1, most popular, by Cablex. Watch this video. Choose your favorite. Number 2, by Amazon Basics. Number 3, by BESKIN. For more info about these car accessories, just click this circle. Number 4, by Maxboost. Number 5, by QXTE. For more great related products, full details and online deals, just click the circle.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.